Alright, so here's how to sort by date in Excel. It's a quite simple process, so let's get started. So as you can see guys, we have different types of options right over here. Firstly, we got the names, and second one, which is the date. So first thing first, you need to set a format that we can sort it out. So for that format, firstly select the date cells like this and simply right click on a mouse and go with the cell formats. Now from here you need to select the dates over here and select the first one, which is the basic type. Simply go with the OK. Now as you can see, we got our date like this. Now if you want to sort it by dates, you need to once again select the date like this and simply go with the data above side and go with the sort option. So simply tap on that and you can simply go with the continue with the current selection. Now once you have done it, you can see my date has headers, so we will tick mark on this option. Alright, now once you have done it, you can simply go with sort by data unsorted dates. So we will select that the header name. So for the header name, we have selected as unsorted dates. Then for the cells, we can select any of the colors, and lastly we can select the order. So we can select either oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So we will go with the oldest to newest and simply go with OK. Now as you can see, we have successfully sorted the dates. So now we can rename it as sorted dates like this. So that's how you can simply sort by date in Excel.